Hello, everyone. I thought I would just make a brief video regarding the second case study essay, a potential hire. Um, you are an executive at a company who must decide whom to hire for a senior position. So, really, you're going to put yourself in charge of, or put yourself in the place of someone who is really making the decision. Are you going to hire this person? Are you not going to hire this person? You have almost decided upon a candidate for the position. That is, there's a favorite. There's someone who is leaning towards hiring. However, looking deeper into her background, you find the following incident in her past, which she has not disclosed during the interview process, nor has she hidden it. That is, it just hasn't come up. She has not told you about this thing, nor has she, really, there's been no direct. Well, that's the question. Whether she has a responsibility to divulge this or not. It's something you'll have to decide. 5 years ago, in a previous position as an executive for another company, the candidate was involved in an incident in which she significantly misrepresented her company's financial status to a potential lender. It is unclear, however, whether or not she broke the law. As a result of this misrepresentation, her company was able to secure much needed financing at terms that were highly beneficial, terms that would not have been possible had the true financial state of the company been known to the lender. I mean, I made this up, but that's something that happens. Looking further into the matter, you talk with two executives at the candidate's former company about the incident. The first says that he thinks the candidate should have been fired over the incident. The second credits the candidate with saving the company by securing the financing. So, one of those things. I mean, this person misrepresented, perhaps illegally, but no, there were no legal repercussions from it. Her company's financial condition in order to secure a loan at certain terms. Uh, Opinion is divided over this person. One former colleague says she should have been fired. The other says she saved the company. Uh, this could be both. So here's the question. Having learned of this incident in the candidate's past, are you more likely to hire her or less likely to hire her? Why? That's the question, right? That's the question you have to decide whether this new information will make you more or less likely to hire. Of course, it could be that it has no impact at all, but considering how dramatic it is, I think that that's probably not very likely that it would have no impact. But that's certainly an option. But basically, you have to decide if there's something that this applicant has demonstrated that what she is willing to do um, in the course of her job. Do you consider that a plus or a minus? Of course, I don't have to spell it out for you. I mean, the pluses, the potential pluses are there. I mean, if she really did save the company, don't you want somebody who's willing to do what's necessary in order to save the company? Uh, Someone who is resourceful uh, and is firm in their course of action, decisive. Sure, but do you want somebody who's willing to skirt the law that way and willing to misrepresent and deceive? Is that somebody you want? I mean, probably no. So really, again, it's supposed to be a tough decision. That is, there's no decision that is going to get everything that you would like. If you say that you're less likely to hire her, well, then you're giving up on a candidate who might be very effective in her job, who might in the future save your company. If you think this incident in her past makes it more likely that you would hire her, then you have to admit that you want somebody in your company who's willing to do ethically and perhaps even legally suspect things. So it's supposed to be a tough decision, right? You can't get everything you want here, yeah, and so you have to, but you have to make a choice.